Hello everyone. Today I'm going to demo our project DocuInsight. DocuInsight is effectively an add-on to DocuSign that allows the signer to sign their documents like normal, but also to get better insight into what they're signing. It does so by using AI to explain key parts of the legal contracts in plain English, as well as provide a chat interface that allows the user to talk with their contract, as well as provide a way to recommend lawyers in that person's area and help connect them to them if they desire to get more legal assistance. Knowing this, enough of me talking, let me show you it in action. So if you look at my screen, you can go to DocuInsight by going to DocuInsight.ai. There's a disclaimer here, this is not legal advice and the product is still beta as of January 2025. Here we have a video of our main demo, as well as where you log in. Log in, put in your email, click the sign in button. This will then send a sign in link, magic link to your email. Sign in. And afterwards, you will be prompted to sign into DocuSign, where you can access your templates. In this case, I did sign into my DocuSign, so my templates are right here. And currently we only support DocuSign accounts that are dev-based, so dev accounts rather than production accounts. We're hoping to change that in the future, but right now it's just dev accounts. So after logging in, I now have access to all my templates, and now I can start sending them out. So in this case, let's go with this example contract here. This is one I found online. So with that in mind, let me just send it to myself. So okay, create envelope. And what this does is it will get it and submit it over. Cool. And now we will wait for the email to come in. So it does take a little bit longer to send compared to DocuSign because it's using the most advanced AI model on the market right now to analyze the legal contract and give us a clear report of what we're signing. So because of that, it might take tens of seconds, if not a few minutes longer than usual, but it's not really that long of a time difference. So yeah, let's just wait for it right now. Cool. So I just got the email, ready to sign. In this case, I just sent it to myself. Ideally, you would send it to the person that needs to sign it. You can click the review link. And it takes us to this page with a disclaimer. As you can see, it loaded the legal contract as it would usually. The same signing logic as before. As you can see here, you can put in your names and stuff for signing. Which is great. You can look through the legal document like you would with any normal DocuSign instance, but now you have a clear summary of what you're signing, the key clauses brought up in the document, the unusual terms that the AI found, important risks, key commitments, as well as recommended actions, and you're provided with this chat interface. So as you can see, I can message them, and I can also ask some pretty interesting questions to this model. It's not just a chat bot, it does other cool features. It can browse the web, so I can say, what is the latest development on... So I can ask it questions like about the document itself. So what is this contract about? And then it explains the contract to me because we provided it as context to the model. Then I can ask it other questions too that are like revolving around like web-based questions. Like, have there been any new developments in these types of contracts in law in the USA as of 2025. And here we can have it browse the web, and this is done by using an agent router. So giving a query, browses the web, and does so as seen here. And see, you can also provide sources, meaning yes, it did browse the web. Then we can ask it another cool question, and this is where the lawyer recommendation comes in. Based on this contract, can you recommend me lawyers in my area, Denver, Colorado, that can help me better understand what this contract is saying? And the model is able to actually generate you a optimized search query for lawyers in your area that you could potentially talk with. So in this case, generated this link, press it here, boom, takes us to this website. It's filtered by contracts, Denver, 4 stars and above, and now I can contact these lawyers. They have websites, phone numbers, etc. And I could potentially talk with these lawyers if I really want the contract to be reviewed. And then, yeah, so then afterwards we can, in this case, sign the contract. I'll just say example for now, that's my name. As a test, adopt and sign. Boom, finish. And we're concluded here. And we can still talk with the model if we want. But yeah, that's it. And now the person who sent the contract will get a copy of the signed contract and so forth, like they would with a normal DocuSign account. And the benefit of this is the signer, if they ever want a copy of their contract, can reuse the same link we sent them to originally sign the contract to not only review the contract that they just signed, as seen here, my signature should pop up somewhere here. Yeah, example. But it still provides the same claims as usual, and you can still chat with the contract if you ever have any questions. So even the signer can reuse this if they ever need to. And yeah, this is currently our project DocuInsight. We hope it provides value, and we hope to iterate on it more and ultimately democratize legal text and legal access to everyone, because everyone should have the right to know what they are signing to and what they're committing to. Thank you for checking out the demo. Check out DocuInsight at docuinsight.ai. Thank you.